I have been anticipating going and picking the watermelon and to see if it is ripe. Today is September 26th, and I had this little watermelon growing outside. It has been raining for the last couple of days, and the temperatures have been cold and damp. And I went to check on my watermelons, and I noticed that this one was looking kind of sickly. Look at that stem. It was looking sort of browning. And I said, let me touch it. And when I touched it, it was soft. And you can see here, looks like it was rotting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it and see what we get here. I harvested this watermelon from my garden, and I know it was premature, and as you can see the interior, that there was some ripening, but not enough for eating. And today is Monday, and Karen said to me, Mom, go and check that watermelon because it looks like it is ready to be picked. The leaves are turning color, and it is so exciting. So I think I am going to go out and take a look at the watermelon and see if it's ready. And then we will pick it, we will open it, and we will give a reveal of the watermelon. We harvested this watermelon last year in October, early October, and it was so delicious. Last summer, I planted a watermelon vine and was able to produce a watermelon. Now, the big question has been, is the watermelon ripe? So that's our discussion. That's our question. Is the watermelon ripe? We're going to see if the watermelon is ripe. And if this one isn't ripe, then we have, I think, 3 or 4 more? 3 more left. So one of them has to become ripe and juicy and red and exactly what we need. So let's go and check it out now. So here's the little one. Here's one that I've been looking at. They said something about the tendrils, to check the tendrils to see. And I don't see any tendrils, but I don't think that one is ready. So let's look at the other one and see if this one is ready. Here's one right there. And then we have this little one here. And I don't think that's ready at all. So let's look. Let's see. Now she's talking about the leaves dying back here on this one here. And it is looking kind of ready. So I'm going to call her and we're going to get it together because it's in a position where I cannot easily grab it. Put some on. So here's the watermelon. I'm getting a little closer to it here. We talked about the tendrils drying up. Well, if that's the case, this tendril is very dry. So that means that this watermelon is ready to be picked. At least I hope so. And it looks like it's turning a little brown there. I think we have something here. According to, as I said, according to what I've been hearing, that when this here is brown, then that means that the watermelon is ripe. Let's hit it. Oh yeah. It sounds good. It sounds good. It sounds ready. All right, so I'm going to cut it off the vine and hope for the best. Here we go. This is my fiscus. I'll put it right down here. Oh, it's done. It is done. It is done. Okay. So let's see. Oh, it's heavy. the bottom. Kind of mushy. Let's see if I can just wash off some of this dirt off of it. Well, we're going to see what we get here. Let's see if I can pull it up without dropping it. That's what it looks like. Oops. That's what the bottom looks like. Alright, so let's carry it in and see what we get here. Well, it is October 1st and we have actually cut off the vine of our watermelon that we have been anticipating for the longest while here. And here it is. I'm ready to cut it and have the reveal to see what it is like inside. Stay tuned for part 2 of the reveal. Is the watermelon ripe?